G'day guys, beautiful day here in southeast Queensland. Sun's shining, grass is green, which reminds me I need to mow. Today what we've got is we've got an F250 that I used to tow the trailer with, gooseneck trailer. It's parked up there. Anyway, it's a 2002 model, and when it's got that big trailer on it, it sags a bit in the back end. So I bought an airbag kit from Boss Airbags, and we're going to start and hopefully get a start on fitting it today. Anyway, here it is. Here's the F truck. Just as a reference, it's a 2002. So what we might do first is just go through what's in the kit. We've got some pretty basic instructions here. Some zip ties and some brackets to hold, are there to hold our Schrader valves. Some bolts there to mount these brackets to the frame. Two airbags, two of these brackets, two of the large single brackets, and that's it. So just for now I'm going to put these back, this back and this back. I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to bolt the airbag to the brackets that I need, make sure that's all going to work, and then I'll test fit it on the car, see where we need to mount the top bracket exactly, and then we'll go for that. Wow, that's a long way there. I have to put some air in these, I think. Just going to mark this. Yeah, I think that'll be good. I'll mark the other side too, that'll be good. I'll be able to get through there. I'll be able to put something on the bottom as well. So I've got to go that way a bit. Yep. It's going to be beautiful. This is going to take a while, I think. Beautiful. Good. I think I'm going to put a spacer under this edge here. This is up here. That's going to be quite a stretch to get that. Didn't do that very straight, did I? This is that little bracket that holds our air valves. So I had another camera bracket in there, so I'm going to cut this off. And I'll just screw that up into there, and the valves will be there. I'll be able to inflate and deflate the bags from there. So here we have the finished job. We have a couple of Schrader valves at the back here where we can inflate or deflate the airbags. My next video on this will be installing an in-cabin air inflation kit and air compressor and an air tank, so that we don't have to use these, but these will always be here as a backup. The lines just ran through along the body. I've still got to put a zip tie on there just to secure that. It just ran along there through the chassis rails and into the fitting up there. The bags are deflated at the moment. I'm actually going to put some spacers on the bracket underneath there to lift it up, because this is at ride height, empty, so we need to lift it up so they're not stretched as much. If I ever go four-wheel driving and it may lift these springs down more, I'll need to put some little spacers in there between the bracket, the two brackets, the bracket that holds the springs on and the bracket that holds the airbags. So other than that, they're both bolted in. Had to end up putting, because I've got a gooseneck ball, and this is the heavy duty bracket, that this here is a bracket that holds the gooseneck ball in the center. I had to put some 25mm spacers in there to bring it out, which meant I had to bring, the airbag is out further than standard, but it didn't end up too bad on the springs. It's pretty centered over the springs anyway. So that's the passenger side, and the driver's side is the same. Not much air in them at the moment, and it works pretty well. So keep watching. If you like the videos, click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.